Studio is back. 2.22.1 has been released. I don't really understand the numbering system. It doesn't matter. Let's update for the new video. Apparently, updating Studio didn't work, so I have to reinstall it. Let's do that. Create shortcut, yes. Okay, let's install. We will see about it. Hooray! It does look like it's working. I updated, but it failed. Then I download it again. We should have the latest version, 2.22.1. There we go. I will have a quick look to see if my parts, my custom parts are still there. Yes, they are. Sorry, I'm hiding them, so you cannot see in advance everything I have. And we're going to have a look to the new parts, if there are some. Hopefully there are some. Yes, those are new parts. I believe it is. Yes, those are new parts. Hide enable color, and we go. First one, easy post office. I didn't mention it, but this is a review, and this is a live review. I don't know what all the breaks are about. I don't know what is that grill, rectangular. This is just a drawing, so nothing fancy. Any comments yellow? Oh no, that's red. This one. Maybe I pick yellow. That's red. A clock. Blue. There's a service panel to indicate all the service available. That shows Lego drawings for the water, for the telephone, and the cup. This is definitely Lego drawing. A garage. Red again. Most of it that's for petrol station. Some advertising. Shell. More shell. Oh yes, this is the shell is left or right, depending on which one you take. I don't know if those, I don't think so, those are stickers. That's probably printed on a brick. Stickers back in the days, when I say in the days at 80s, those were very bad because they didn't last very long. They didn't stand the test of time. What did I say? Shop. I don't know what is that supposed to be. Maybe some type. No colors available for that one. No color, so I will leave it like that. Another car, blue, taxa, probably taxi in other language, taxi, taxi, okay, we get multiple languages, repair shop. We keep piling them up for a long time, it looks like. Happy motoring. And what kind of petrol stations are going to release to get so many stickers? Oh, there's a bug here. What is that underneath? Yeah, there's a bug on this brake. There's definitely a bug. They should not be able to we should not be able to put it like those. Or maybe there's the one on the bottom with a bug. I'm going to check this out. Which one is not working properly? Maybe after we can have a look in Part Designer to see which one was not created properly. Looks like this is that one. Yes, but I don't think so in the part designer we'll be able to find this article with this specific back number with stickers. I will check that later. Okay, there's a bug here, definitely. On that one as well. Okay, the 1x8 brick, they did a copy and paste and they didn't double check. Yeah, all the brick 1x8, there are problems on those. Very well. Oil company, garage, software station. So this is all of those. That's about train station and petrol station. Brick modify. One of my favorite brick with a printing on it. I think this is the first time I see a print on this brick. Oh, pity they don't align. Would they align like this? Not at all. They don't align. Anyway, that's original. I'm not sure how useful it is. Some print on the slope 30-degree brick. What's that printing? Chevrolet Corvette. Then pattern. Okay, we have some Corvette. How about this one? Chevrolet Corvette as well. Well, if that's only about prints, I'm not that impressed by this. I mean, so far, no new bricks. Another print. Sorry, I'm mixing up the keys with the software I'm using professionally. Usually to rotate what I do for my work, this is a space bar. And I've been doing it a lot lately. That's why I'm mixing up things. Micro pattern sticker. What kind of sticker is that supposed to be? Nothing. Okay, forget about that one. Another sticker. The mirroring sticker. More stickers. Oh, I forgot to check the colors. My bad. My bad. Black. So I guess those two will have the same color. Yellow. Probably yellows for those as well. Right. With the color, it doesn't change anything. Maybe a sort of pattern will appear. Doesn't look good. Ooh, is that Star Wars? Yeah, that's a Star Wars logo. That's a Rebel logo. Double correct, medium size, circle pattern. Yeah, Star Wars Rebel wing. A-wing. I'm not sure which one it is. I like Star Wars, but I cannot describe every ship they have. Pattern, what is that? Lips. Looks like lips on the side. Double with black and dark gray lines pattern. Yep, maybe. With dots. Polka dots, whatever. It looks same theme than this one. What is that? Only about stickers. There's nothing else. So what happened? No imagination anymore in Lego. That's a kind of brick I really don't like. I really don't enjoy this one. I find this very useless. Sticker again. Hello. Quarter circle, meaning you can make a full circle. I'll give you a hint. When you have a quarter circle and you take 4 of those, you get a full circle. And I know people who use math rule the world. What else do we have? Calendar. Is that a calendar? Yes, calendar. A small calendar. Oh, that's a Star Wars writing. I cannot say which language it is, but this is definitely Star Wars. Magenta, alien character, and crown 9. Yeah, I think this is in Star Wars. Another calendar. I put with it. Where only no new break. Star Wars. What could it be? Maybe nail salon. Looks like girly Star Wars. With a star like this, or maybe a pub or striptease club. Could be anything. Apple, Fabulon. Okay, it looks like we have many fruits, kind of food, and stickers. Maybe wheat, grape. Okay, actually pretty boring so far. All of those are white. Damn, how many vegetables and food did they put on it? Orange, meal, cabbage, pear. Is that for kids or people like me who want to learn the name of put white, I don't care. The name of vegetables and fruits. Red square. Yellow. Pattern sticker, square pattern sticker. Don't know what they want to achieve with this again. This is a blueprint of a bridge. Looks like with blueprint, letter N. Letter N? Ah, north. Yes, whatever. Letter N. And compass. Your pencil and dark gray plate pattern. They could call it a bridge blueprint. It works the same. Well, they probably have their reasons. What is that? Is that an eye? Or is that for the Chevrolet thing? Oh, no, not Chevrolet, Corvette. Corvette, where's the Chevrolet? Corvette thing. I don't know if there's a... Yeah, that's probably the car, Corvette. I think there's a plane, if I'm not mistaken. Name a Corvette as well. Well, that's definitely not the boat, the Corvette. Defender. Ooh. Okay. I'm sure most of the people who are going to watch this video are way too young to know this pattern. I don't know if they reprinted it or not. It was probably one of my very first Lego and a kind of, I think it was a racing car. I will look at it after this video, and I will put somewhere a picture of it. It was a slope brick, 2x2 slope brick with this, I think, exact print on it. It's very, very old, very early 80s, I think. As I said, I will put a picture of it if I can find. American flag, what is that? American flag, yeah. What's that? What does it think to do with that? I don't know. More pattern, probably Fabulon, or whatever the name is. Life preserver, boo, yeah. Oh, la, la, la. Where are we going with those? Okay, Okay, I expect to get everything pink or purple here. I don't know, they have different colors. Coral, not far off. White, black, white, Hogwarts. Ah, some Harry Potter stuff. Hogwarts Castle. Okay, maybe for the train. Could it be for the train station? Oh, that's original, this one. This one is a tile 4x4, but only 2 studs. I mean, a standard tile. And what did they try to write on it? Button and slider. Doesn't tell us more about it. First time I see a pattern on this brick. Panels, fire panels. This is a oldie. I mean, I'm talking about the logo, not about the panels. This logo, it's a very old logo. Not as old as this one. Or maybe as old, I'm not sure. But this is very old way of Lego drawing the fire. Shell. Some kind of courier. Bicycle. Damn, this is we only have print bricks on this release. Not very good release for the content. Should it be transparent, this one? No, I don't think so. What's that supposed to? Oh, yeah. Okay, this is. Oh, I didn't get it. This is a second Death Star from Star Wars. See, I show how much knowledge I have. That's impressive. This is a second Death Star. This is a shield around the Death Star. This is a shield generator. And this is under where the Ewoks live. So, this is in the Return of the Jedi. Yes, I get it. Thank you. I finally got it. Another Life Preserver logo. Some fabulous stuff. I don't want to hear about it. I'm not ashamed to admit that I don't know this brick. I don't know this brick. It probably comes in gray, I guess. Yeah. Never seen this brick before. Put it aside. Maybe it does exist and never pay attention to it. Never seen it in studio before. Okay, to make some kind of roofing wall, yeah. A stronghold wall. Face. Damn, keep going with the print bricks. I think this is anything. This is anything Legos. I mean, maybe not Legos. I don't know who does that. Has to offer on this release. Only prints. Oh, this is for a gearbox, drive, neutral, and reverse. So is that either for a massive car, a hugely big car, or just a gearbox they're going to release, or they already have and I didn't know about it, since I don't really pay attention to what Lego releases. High low, that's probably for gear motion as well. High gear and low gear. A print on a small dish. I don't remember if I haven't seen a print on dish, on small dish like this. On the larger one, yes. On the smaller dishes, like this. No, rather. Hinge on pin. Yes. I'm going to say, I might have made one like this, but I'm not certain. Not as complicated, nothing like this, but where did I see this? Did I make it, or is that already existing? That's probably an already existing part. Window frame. Window frame again, from another garage, from motorcycle garage, red I guess. Glass window. Looks like for a glass window for a car store or old-fashioned pub. Oh, that's probably some Harry Potter stuff. Window. That's probably for Harry Potter, I would suspect. Wings. What are those wings? Probably new parts, but I don't know what is that for. Is that half glitter in it? Yeah, this is a transparent, half with glitter. Okay, for the manufacturing process, this is having two set of materials like this is a lot more complex to build than standard bricks, or even standard bricks with print on it. Yeah, that requires a lot of work from Lego to make that kind of brick. Transparent orange, and it comes in transparent orange. I don't know if that's two materials or if they die afterwards. If that's two different materials, this is very complex to make, but it gives the best quality finish and lasting. If this is only transparent and they die on the outside, this will not be such a good quality. I don't even know what I say wings, but I don't know what is that. Web-rounded wings shaped with bar flame. Flags. Pirate flags. In one of the previous release, we got many pirate hats and pirate stuff. So now they're releasing the flag. So that's that's a plane. Not hydroplane. Yeah, this one is hydroplane, not a flying boat. Hydroplane, that one, I think. And you know, the seaplane. Seaplane it is. Kind of flag, long flag. Oh, solar panel. Solar panel. Okay, solar panel. Yeah, okay, solar panel. Why not? This one could be a new brick. Oh, that's an infinity stone. Yeah, we get all the colors of the infinity stones. Marvel. Marvel, Marvel, Marvel. So I suspect if we have the infinity stone, we may have the glove somewhere. Should be 6 infinity stones, if I remember well, because this is one of each finger plus one on the hand itself. Where was I? Here, transparent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, put too many, except if you still have extra colors. No, okay. Oh yes, we can use a glowing. The glowing one. Okay, let's try the glowing. I think they had 4. Glowing. glowing, and we don't have as many glowing as the regular transparent colors. And I think I saw even more after glowing December. I will glowing dark orange. Let's try glowing dark orange. Ah no, that's glow in the dark, not glowing. Okay, don't care. We will stay with those ones for the rendering. Some probably net plastic. Call that a net. Yeah, plastic. Where will I put this? Okay, put that in the background. Red net. What is that supposed to be? Red net. What we do is that. Oh, I'm sure we can find something to do with this. That's for the fire hose. This is where you roll up the fire hose. This is for lifeguard, apparently. TV crew. I don't know. Is that some kind of helicopter module? I don't know about. Ah yes, it's written on it, cockpit. Yes, that's probably for an helicopter. Then tail. Air Canada tail. Yeah, Air Canada. The tail. Okay, I'm putting bricks all over the place. It's getting messy. This one, the transport, air courier. I have to rearrange this because it goes all over the place right now. One more. Same kind of stuff. Transport. Some wing. Blue transparent. I was expecting this to be transparent, but I don't know what is that for. Insectoid. I don't know what kind of set is that, the insectoid. Ooh, that's something I could just put the second insectoid. That will be the same. Don't care. Why did they put the boat? Ah, okay, they put the boat because they put a new pattern on it. Oh, that's it. Okay, there's nothing really new. Just it's going to take a massive amount of space if I put the boat stuff on it. I remember when I got mine. I think the very first boat they released like this. It was a fishing boat. I got a fishing boat and I got the fire rescue boat. I don't know how to call it. And I was very fond of those boats because it could really float. I'm sure they still do. Yeah, I really like those boats. Probably did mistake somewhere. Yeah, there are different numbers. Blue. Okay, 4.5, 4.15, 4.25. Okay, that one is for the fire brigade. Oh, this one has a... No, this is standard. I just messed up again. And blue. That's it, nothing else? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Spoiler for vehicles. We have two kinds of spoilers. Another window and road sign. Not window, road sign. Put that one up front. What is that drawn on it? What is that? Is that the dam? What is this road sign? Looks like a dam collapsed and the city got flooded. What is that supposed to be? Road sign? Or is that maybe it's supposed to be at 45 degrees? Apparently I don't have enough imagination to understand what this road sign is about. Oh, is that a map? What the hell is that? That's supposed to be the sea, some rivers, and a dam, a flooded city? What? I have no idea what is that about. I have no clue. Okay, that's too smart for me. Like a city, I get transparent. Yes. Oh, that's for medieval horsemen. These are the... Should I say the Lion King? Or that for... which king was that? I forgot. Too bad with names. I'm very, very bad with names. It will come back to me. Croc. The croc comes in parts. The wing for the croc. No, probably not for the croc. Another wing. Minecraft. I think that's a pig. The pig in Minecraft. I never played Minecraft. It looks interesting, but I don't have time to play Minecraft. There's a crocodile tail. I think it is. Oh, okay. We need a link probably in it. We need to add up a link. That's why it doesn't fit. That's probably why it doesn't fit. Forgot to give a color. Green. And green. We give similar color. The head. Ooh. That it looks like a nice. Oh, no green color. Why no green color? It does look like a nasty piece of crocodile. This one. I will put it green anyway. Oh, okay. Many heads. Many heads. Ah, this one is dark green. This one is green. This one, no color. Really, just tan. Oh, yeah, that's a proper color for that one. Okay, tan. I was expecting more something like green or dark brown. Minifig head. Why is that a minifig head? Eyebrows. That's because he has eyebrows. You get a minifig head. Ooh, that's an haircut. Okay. It looks like we have a couple of haircuts. We need a couple of heads. Okay, we have many haircuts. So we need several heights. Not enough. Oh, that's way too many. The cap. Oh, this one we cannot choose the color. It comes. Oh no, we can pick. Oh no, that's black. That's black. The cap is blue. No choice. And the hair color is black. Since we don't have so many, just stick it over there. Seriously, green or lime. Okay, that's maybe a bit too modern for me. In color, we trust. That's a nice Yoda head. Hats. Oh, yeah, we need more heads. Because hats will not fit on Yoda. A cowboy, Australian hat. Cowboy hat, large. Motorbike. Looks pretty good. I picked the color then. Yeah, you can see this color. This one comes in tan. Ooh, what is that? Stormtrooper with a jetpack or something like this? Oh no, that's a Mandalorian. Oh, stupid me. That's a Mandalorian. That's one of the Mandalorians. So I guess there's a whole family. The whole set of Mandalorians. Yeah, lately I've been watching a lot about the Mandalorians and the Star Wars universe, because except for the movies and what we can watch on TV, I wasn't aware about anything. This one, that's Ant-Man. They don't say anything, but I believe this is Ant-Man. I'm pretty sure about it. This is Ant-Man. This one could be more like Boba Fett. Dinjarin does not Dinjarin's set this one. Dinjarin backpack is different. It's not like this. And I don't know why they leave the face of the Mandalorian open. They should have visor on it. Very well. What else? Oh, that's probably come with this helmet. That's pretty cool, actually. Cannot open, but that's pretty cool. With or without, it doesn't really matter. There's a pretty cool glasses, protective glasses, visor. Ghostbusters shoulder. Okay, let's see. With elbow protection. Ghostbuster. I hope this is the latest Ghostbuster for the Afterlife. No idea, maybe some other marking. What color come? Black. What is that? Lower body ghost with marble black pattern. That's supposed to be a ghost. Okay. Maybe with a proper color it will work better. Ah, okay. Okay, I get it now. Supposed to be like a race. Oh, spirit. Oh, probably this is a Ghostbuster team. I mean, Lego is going all over the place. They have Ghostbuster, that's from Sony, all the Mandalorian stuff. That's Ant-Man, Star Wars. What else do they have? I don't know if they pay to use shell here. What else do they have? I mean, there's many brands in Lego. I'm sure they have to pay royalties for all of these. Where were we? Okay, more. Damn, they released a lot. What was the point of releasing so many cost? It becomes all in transparent. Okay, transparent red, that one. Transparent green. Transparent orange. Very well. Okay, we are at the end. Door panel. I'm not sure I've seen this kind of door panel before. That's standard? Yeah. I don't remember. No, that's supposed to be the standard door panel. Is it like this? Or is that slightly modified? No, I'm not aware about exactly this one. Some weaponry. Silver. This one is interesting to me. This one is very interesting. Very, very interesting. It's a good looking brick. I think so far it is my favorite brick in this release, and by far. So what is that supposed to be? A anything weapon disc. It could be used as a vent. You put it on the wall. It could be something like a kitchen vent or in manufactory. Also, you can almost use it as a propeller. Oh yes. I'll give you a hint about some release I will do later on. I could use it as a torpedo propeller. Definitely. I will have to show you my own. Does not look at all like this one, but this one will work. This is probably for the Simpsons, slingshot for the Simpsons. Bart has a Bart, yeah, that's another venture that Lego has with a cartoon. There we are. Okay, that was a big release. I didn't expect to have so many bricks. When it started, to me that was very disappointing, the way it started. Only having standard bricks with print on the side. It didn't start up very well. We don't have much new content. Maybe those one. Those are things I'm not really interested in. This one only prints as well. Most of them are prints. For the Crocs, I don't own that kind of Croc, so I don't know if that's new or not. Some Mandalorian's helmets. This is the same. It's basically one helmet with different prints. I don't know if it was already released. Those ghostly things. Looks like we're going into Ghostbuster. To me, King Richard, yeah, that was the name I was looking for, King Richard. To me, the only new interesting brick is this one. Will you have slingshots from Simpsons? This one, weapon, head, whatever, headgear. That one is interesting as well. The only thing I'm a bit hype about are those two. Everything else, just improvement or new pattern. Nothing good. Very well. I'm going to do some rendering and maybe put extra content after this. We'll see. Just double checking about this brick 308 PB 0.99, 120, 0.52. In Part Designer, I only have the standard version. I don't have the PB whatever. That's been probably with a print or sticker. And when I check the connectivity, the part is correct. So when they created this part, they probably did a mistake somewhere. It should not be able to put it like this. It was my take on 2.22. If you found this entertaining, I'm sure we'll find other videos like this one on my channel. If not, doesn't matter, but don't forget to check out the other videos. Bye.